replace this bushing here, you want to pry this little tab out and pull on the bracket. As you hold pressure on it, pull the other side out. That'll release this bracket. Slide the bracket out. Remove the bushing. As you can see, this old one is in extremely poor condition. Slide the new one on, and you want to pay attention. It has a wider area and a smaller one. The wider one goes on the bottom. Try to slide it into the on this pin on the radiator underneath these two tabs, and slide this piece to lock it all in. Now you can do the same thing to the other side.